Hello and welcome. For agencies and entrepreneurs passionate about helping people build life skills, Waiver Consulting Group can show you how to become a provider of habilitation services in Oklahoma. These services help individuals with developmental disabilities learn crucial life skills for independence, such as daily living tasks, social skills, and money management. These supports are authorized under Oklahoma Medicaid HCBS waivers, like the Community Waiver and the In-Home Supports Waiver, IHSW. For new providers, your first step is to apply for certification with the Oklahoma Department of Human Services, OKDHS, Developmental Disabilities Services, DDS. Then, you'll enroll with the Oklahoma Healthcare Authority, OHCA, for Medicaid billing. And finally, DDS will review your staff and program readiness before you can begin accepting referrals. Need expert help? Waiver Consulting Group is here to support agencies and entrepreneurs launching compliant habilitation services in Oklahoma. Ready to kickstart your journey? Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172.